Can a car beat in just 1 minute? I actually be faster than a car beat in 1 whole hour.
A car beat in 60 seconds will be faster than a car beat in an hour plus.
Let's find out.
3, 2.
Alright, guys, this is pretty much all of it, and I just have to add this rubber band to it. Ah, shit.
Made by you, a car beat in 60 seconds will be faster than a car beat in an hour plus.
Guys, I
Let's
think
wait.
he's having this decision because of the last
wait ratio.
the last test we did. I'm letting the car charge for a bit, and when it's done charging, we'll just actually do the race. This is going to be our starts, and around there is going to be our finish. He's already feeling disappointed. So we're doing the race again in 3, 2, 1. That's what I got from this one.
It's supposed to specify a working car made in 60 seconds.
Well, it works.
It doesn't work because they are fake.
How will you know if it's fake?
I can't remember me saying,
Bro, we have
the car made in 60 seconds.
we have everything on camera, bro.
Even if it's been made with a rubber band, it'll be faster than the one
Well,
beaten an hour plus. It's a glitch.
there's evidence.
It's a glitch in your system.
Yeah,
The make twist.
Guys, he actually said that even if I use rubber band, that's what I was going to do.
I will blow your mouth. I will punch your